In this video, we will show you how you can create a value table with custom user matching in Mail and deploy. First, we already created a user called Amelia Craig and gave her the authorization to request a report. Then if we log into the hub as Amelia Craig and request the sales analysis document, we can choose from all of the sales representatives. This should not be allowed as she should not be able to access everyone's data. In the supporting app, we have a table which links each account to the sales reps whose data they may access. Amelia Craig, for example, should be able to download the report of these 6 people. To achieve this, we can go back to the management console and create a new value table, which we can call Account Sales Rep. We choose the supporting app as a data source. Then we need to enable user matching mode and set it to a custom username. Now we can choose the account and sales rep name as the user field name and value field name. Next, we need to press sync. The following step is to open the designer of our sales analysis report. Here we select our sales analysis and refresh the data by clicking the sync button. Then we click the parameter sales rep name, and in the hub input field setting we can now change the value table from sales rep name to account sales rep. Then we click OK. Now we can check that Amelia Craig only has access to the reports of the 6 specified people in the hub. And here we can see the result. Amelia Craig now has only access to the 6 in our supporting app specified people's sales analysis. And that's it. Thanks for watching.